Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I am back today. We're going to do our June Paycheck 2 closeout real quick because, not a lot left over in this paycheck. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a minute. Alrighty, so let's get started. So we have a couple little notes, a couple little things. Envelopes gets $300. Charter gets $79.99. Geico was $177.71. T-Mobile will probably go up next month because, like I said, I bought a new phone. I was really worried it was going to go up this month, but praise him, I don't think it goes into effect until next month. So it's still $126.26. It'll probably go up to $156. So boo, I'll have to change my budget for next time. Gym was $10.81. Netflix is $15.14. 0 for Metro, 25 for traveling, 85 for business. And I bought something for the business, so I'm excited about that because I think I'm starting a new one. I think I'm starting a new little wave of something. So I'll be sharing more about that later. Savings gets $167. House got $420. Debt got $164. Cushion gets $10. School loans got $40. So I bought a French press from Macy's, and so I put $40.88 towards that, and then I had to pay off the rest of my American Express card. But that came directly out of my check, so or out of my overtime check. So boop. Let's see how much this came out to, so we can see how much we had left over. Because this one was just kind of like, it was a lot. I didn't have a lot left over, honestly. So maybe I'm gonna actually set this here so I can actually see. Okay. 300 plus 79.99 plus 177.71 plus $126.26 plus $10.81 plus $15.14 plus 25 plus 85 plus 167 plus 420 plus 164 plus $10 plus $40 plus $40.88. So that leaves us with $1,661.79. And I think I had put the wrong amount. Yeah, $1,668. I do want to check though and make sure I had the right amount for my check, but I'm pretty sure that was the right amount for my check. 'Cause there's no way I was off by like $20, right? Like, we all pretty much remember how much we get paid generally. So let me just go. Oh, it is 1,688. Well, that's confusing. I lost $20 somewhere. Let me go back to the calculator and let's take a look at 300 plus 80 plus 180 plus 130 plus 11 plus 16 plus 40 plus 25 plus 85 plus 167 plus 420 plus 164 plus 10 plus 40 166. Oh my god, I was off by $20 when I did this. Wowzers. Okay, I think that's actually okay because I think I was trying to figure out where I was going to put something, and now I think I know where it is, where I'm going to get the monies. So let me go again and check back and make sure we have everything on here, because I hate it when I don't. Like, it really drives me crazy when I feel like I'm missing something. So yeah, I don't think that was taken out. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and I'm still gonna do it as in I only had $6 left over. And we're gonna flip this over now, because I got stuff I can do with that money, I think, with that $20. But I definitely need to for that second one. Make sure I add that in, and that's even better, because now that only means that I am only $10 off from the $30 I need to add for my phone bill that will go up. So woohoo! Okay, additional payments. So with $6 left over, I was gonna keep it real simple and just do, I think I was just gonna put it all towards, well, let's do 3 towards house, 3 towards debt. How about that? So debt gets $3 and a house, which I hadn't even filled this in, gets $3. That gives us a total of $6, and that gets us 0 left over. Whoop, whoop. Okay, closed out. All this money is still in the account, haha, so I will need to go and get that out. So that's it. This paycheck is closed. You're ready to go. So that is it for the month of June. Can y'all believe it is already the middle of the year? That's insane, right? Like 2021 flew by so fast. So not this month, but next month, I will do a savings update and I will do a debt update. Made pretty good progress on the debt, made okay progress on savings, could have done much better, but burnt out outside doing too much. So July really needs to be like a no spend July, even though I'm already supposed to go somewhere in July. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if I go, right? Okay. So anyways, this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all later. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Have a great one. Bye-bye.